drain all the fluids out. Once you got it loose, you take a wrench like this. What is this? 15, right? 15 millimeter. Just once you remove this, you can get to the oil pan gasket. Okay, let's look at the oil pan. Okay, it's leaking. Oh. Now it's time to remove the oil pan. Wait, first we gotta remove this. Now, when you disconnect the oil level sensor, there's a clip in here that you have to pull out. You can use like a flathead or something, just like that. You see, it just comes out. Pull this clip out with a flathead and pull out the sensor. I only got 4 more bolts to go. Let's see, right here. Can you see that one right there? And it's one up in, I can't even see that. But I can tell you right off the bat that 2 of these bolts are going to be difficult to torque to 14 pounds using a torque wrench, because there's no leverage to get it in here. I think it's this one right here. You can't see it, but it's, I guess if you remove the frame, you'll be able to do it, but I'm not about to remove the frame, so I'm just gonna do the best I can. I'll tell you which bolts that are difficult for me to torque. Okay, I finally got it off. Let's look at it. As you can see, I already have it on. All the bolts have been tightened to specifications. I believe it's 14 pounds of torque, and then an additional 60-degree turn. This is the chart that I use to tighten the bolts in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 16. Number 7 and number 16 were the hardest bolts to reach to tighten to torque specifications. So what I did was these 2 right here, this one right here and this one right here, because this what is this called, a crossmember? This frame is in the way of these 2 bolts, so you can't just run a socket and extension from here to here, because this is in the way and you're gonna mess up the threads. So what I did was I used this low profile Harbor Freight tool to get under here and put it on here and just tighten it as snug as I possibly can. This one and this one. You see how it gets up in there?